Welcome to Mr. English Channel Academy.
Hello. Today we are at the bank. Do you know what to say in English? We will show you everything.
I am Mr. Bush.
And I am Mrs. Bush.
Today we will help you understand every phrase at the bank. Watch Jake and Emma first.
Emma and I have just moved to Washington. We need to open a bank account. Let's go. Good morning. I would like to open a bank account, please.
Good morning. Of course. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Did you hear that? Jake said that he would like to open a bank account. This is the phrase you need when you go to the bank for the first time.
What is the difference between a checking account and a savings account? A checking account is for everyday spending. A savings account is for saving money. Which one would you like?
Remember these two words. Checking account means you use it every day. Savings account means you save your money. Very important.
I would like a checking account, please. I will use it for my daily spending.
I would like to deposit some money into my account, please.
Of course. How much would you like to deposit? And may I have your account number, please?
The word deposit means to put money into your account. Remember, deposit means money goes in. Say it with me. Deposit.
I would like to withdraw $200 from my account, please.
Of course. Please sign this form. Would you like small or large bills?
Withdraw means to take money out of your account. Deposit in. Withdraw out. Say it again. Withdraw.
Can you tell me my account balance, please? I want to know how much money I have.
How much money you have in your account. Always remember to check your balance. What is my balance? Perfect phrase.
I would like to transfer money to another account. Can you help me, please?
Of course. Please give me the account number and the name of the person you are sending money to.
Transfer means to send money from your account to another person's account. Remember, I would like to transfer money.
Excuse me, my card is not working. I tried to use it yesterday, and it did not work. Can you help me?
I can see the problem. Your card has been blocked. I will unblock it for you, right now. It will take just a moment.
If your card does not work, say, "My card is not working." Or you can say, "My card has been blocked." The bank will help you.
I am sorry. I think I lost my bank card. I need to report it. And get a new one, please.
Don't worry. I will cancel your old card right now. You will receive your new card in 5 to 7 working days.
If you lose your card, say, "I lost my bank card," or "I need to report my card as lost." The bank will cancel it immediately.
Can I set up online banking? I want to check my account on my phone.
Yes, we can set that up for you today. You will need a password and a security code. I will help you step by step.
Let's review. I would like to open an account. I would like to deposit money. I would like to withdraw money. I would like to transfer money.
and more. Can you tell me my balance? My card is not working. I lost my card. Can I set up online banking? All perfect phrases.
We did it! We spoke English at the bank, and everything went perfectly.
The bank does not have to be scary. Just learn these phrases, and you will be fine. You can do it.
Now your turn. Write one bank phrase in the comments below. Which phrase will you use the next time you go to the bank?
You have learned all the phrases you need at the bank. Practice them every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will be.
If this helped you, please give it a big like.
And subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy for more real English lessons every week.
See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, English gets easier every day. Bye!